السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. حمدا ومصليا أما بعد أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. اقرأ باسم ربك الذي خلق. All praise be to Allah, the Lord of all, and may blessing and peace be upon Him, noble messenger. Respected guests, beloved teachers, dear students, in this program, I have chosen the topic Islamic education as a means of promoting peace in the society. Dear all, nowadays the all is beset with enormous social problem, and human beings are undergoing injustice, depressed and tense situations. The peaceful and harmonious environment has become of paramount significance for all societies and cultures around the globe. Islam literally means peace. It stands for universal love, mutual and coexistence. Islam calls for peace, tolerance and kindness, which is a state of physical, mental, spiritual and social harmony in an Islamic society, which promote the formation of well-organized and well-socialized masses with appropriate norms and values. It is true to say that religious education is a real backbone for Muslim society. The Holy Quran and Sunnah of the Prophet Muhammad are divine source of religious education, which provide guidance in all fields of life. An extensive review of Islamic teachings reveal that religious education predominantly aims at building a peaceful, tolerable harmony and mutual of the welfare of humanity. People say Islamic education is a terrorism. People say Islamic rules, Islamic religion is a terrorism. But I say it's not a terrorism. People say Islam learn how to make AK-47. But I say it's not a learning Islam. It's not a learning Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. People say Islamic education is a terrorism. Islamic rules and Islamic religion is a terrorism. People say, I say it's not true. It's not true. It's false. Your thinking is wrong. Your thinking is wrong. It's not true. It's false. Because our Prophet not promoting AK-47. Our Prophet not promoting grenade. Our Prophet not promoting our people's and people's religions to fight. Our Prophet promote peace and peace. Peace and peace. How to make a relationship. Our Prophet promote peace and peace. Peace and peace. I say again, peace and peace. Our Prophet not promotes AK-47. People say terrorism, but I say our Prophet not promote AK-47. Our Prophet promote peace and peace. People say, what is Islamic education? I say, the term Islamic education is confined in the divine book, the Holy Quran and Sunnah of the Prophet Muhammad, that refers to his deeds, acts and indirect commandment. And I say, our leader means Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, as a great teacher, has provided complete guidance in all fields of life. People say Islamic education not important to our society. I say it's most important to our life. Because I say some time ago our students, our group students, my class friends say education is the most powerful weapon. Because when I use to this education, I can change. We can change our society. We can change our family. We can change our Indian every corruption. We can change our Indian system. We can change our corruption. Because you have education, you have a power. You have education, you have a knowledge. You have no education, you have no power. You have education, you have a power. You have no education, you have no knowledge. So this line is most important. Education is the most powerful weapon. Education is the most powerful weapon. When we use, we can change the world. Prophet Muhammad said, Islamic education and individual peace. Islamic education throws attention significantly on individual peace. Peace requires self-control, and Islamic education promotes it. Islam calls every person to cooperate with another in material moral field. Islamic education considers pious believers more honorable to Allah Almighty than other Muslims. Although all humans have some dignity, equality, and status, the Quran clearly mentions. And say, narrated Abu Hurairah, I heard Allah's messenger, Man sarrahu an yubsata lahu fi rizqi wa in yusalahu lahu ki athari falyasil rahmi. Whoever is pleased that he be granted more wealth
and that his lease of life be prolonged, and then he should keep good relation with his kids and kin. Sahih al-Bukhari. In another hadith, Prophet Muhammad said, he who is not merciful to other will not be treated mercifully. Islamic education and family peace. Family is a natural and fundamental unit of a society. That term family used to decide it. A special kind of structure. And individual peace. Family is set of nation, and nation establishes the whole world by ensuring a happy and peaceful family. Islam aims at securing peace for a nation and peace for the world. Islamic education has correctly stated the rights of parents, as Allah says, and your Lord has decreed that you worship none but Him and do good to parents. If one of them or both of them at an old age in the life, say not to them a word of disrespect, not to shout them, but address them in terms of honor, and lower unto them the wing of submission, and say, Rabbir Hamma Kama Rabbayani Sagira. My Lord, bestow on them your mercy, and they did bring me up when I was young. Similarly, the Quran, foremost good treatment, Surah Al-Nisa, Allah said, وَعَبُدُ اللَّهَ وَلَا تُشْرِكُوا بِاللَّهِ. Worship Allah, join none with Him in worship. And وَبِالْوَالِدَيْنِ إِحْسَانًا, and do good to parents. And again Allah said, وَبِذِي الْقُرْبَى وَالْيَتَامَى, and relatives and orphans. Surah Al-Nisa. Islamic education every time promotes peace, but people say Islamic culture, Islamic rules, Islam religion is a terrorism. But I say, our Prophet say, it's not a terrorism. It's not a learning to how to remember how to make a real AK-47. People say, people look to this point, but it's not a true. It's not a true. I say again, it's not a true. It's a false. I say again, it's a false. Because our Prophet Muhammad every time promotes peace, every time promotes peace. I can say it's a true, it's wrong, it's people's thinking is wrong. I say, in conclusion, I can say that my speech reveals that Islamic education primarily